football. The Blizzard fired Robert Fuller last year. Now they play against him. He's the head coach of the Bemidji Axemen. Good start for the Blizzard. Nate Ware finds Dante Sawyer for the score. This was a hard-hitting game. Axemen quarterback Cody Kirby is going to pull it down. He's going to get knocked into the crowd. Kids are like, hey, Mom, I found a football player. Can I bring him home? Maybe not. He gets put back on the field. Green Bay's offense moving the ball. Ware pump fakes, zips one to Andre London, and he's going to go into the stands and say hello to the former Blizzard head coach. This one's in the fourth quarter. Green Bay leads it 55-53.
Set.